Presenting the Playback Rockerz 255 Pro Bluetooth wireless in-ear earphones with mic navy blue. It comes with favorite tunes with powerful HD sound and Endora with its immersive audio output. It has IPX5 rated for protection against sweat and water scares. It comes with comfort of super quick full charge and only 1 hour. Playtime of 4 hours and just 20 minutes. It also features frequency response 20 Hz 20 kHz and Pro features the latest Bluetooth v5.0. Fast charging technology and powerful 10mm dynamic driver. The delivery box contains Rockerz 255 Pro, additional earbuds, and charging cable. User manual and warranty card. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.